Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a physics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajota. Student, today I am taking one more time chapter number 3, current electricity of the unit number 2. The name of topic, that means a series combination of power. Student, in the case of the combination, we know that about the combination series combination and parallel combination. आप बोलेंगे सर मिक्स कॉम्बिनेशन भी होता है. सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा कैपिटल सी, दैट मीन्स कैपेसिटेंस. कैपेसिटेंस के लिए हमने देखा सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. देन आफ्टर रेजिस्टेंस, रेजिस्टेंस दैट मींस कैपिटल आर, तो उसमें भी हमने दो कैटेगरी देखी, सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. देन आफ्टर सेल, इन द केस ऑफ द सेल दैट मींस स्मॉल सी, इसमें हमने तीन कैटेगरी है, सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन एंड मिक्स कॉम्बिनेशन. अगर जो आपसे कुछ छूट रहा है तो आप प्ले लिस्ट में जाइए, वीडियोज को देखिए और उससे पहले स्टडी कीजिए. नाउ we take another topic of the chapter number 3, unit number 2, current electricity series combination related to power. Okay student, now according to the board exam, ठीक है, the pattern of the question based on proof that the reciprocal of the total power consumed. What is the mean of the power? Power will be equal of P. P equal to, you know that very well, P will be equal of V square by R. What is the mean of the V? V that means the amount of total potential and R that means the amount of resistance. P that means the power consumed. Prove that the reciprocal, what is the meaning of the reciprocal? Reciprocal that means a 1 by anything. So 1 by P will be equal of 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. Okay, we have to prove 1 by P will be equal of 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by 3 in the case of the series combination. Student, in the case of the series combination, what is the mean of the power? Power will be equal of V square by R. मुझे पावर के लिए मुझे यहाँ पर क्या, मुझे यहाँ पर तीन बल्ब शो करने होंगे. लेट वी कंसिडर दिस इज अ फर्स्ट बल्ब, दैट इज अ सेकेंड एंड दिस इज अ थर्ड बल्ब. ओके स्टूडेंट, represented by P1, represented by P2 and represented by P3. What is the mean of the P1, P2, P3? P1 that means the power of bulb first, P2 that means the power of second bulb and P3 that means the power of third bulb. Let we consider any external source, any external battery and potential. Potential will be equal of capital V. Okay student, we have to prove 1 by P. 1 by P will be equal of 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by 3. Now बिल्कुल आसानी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. We know that by simple definition of power. What is the proper definition of the power? Power that means a P is a directly proportional of V square. P is a directly proportional of V square. That means a power is a directly proportional of the square of potential. Okay student, and we also know that power is a reciprocal of amount of resistance. P is a inversely proportional of 1 by R. Okay, by using equation number first and second, we can say P is a directly proportional V square by R. Let we consider P will be equal proportional, replaced by any constant. Let we consider constant will be equal of K such that V square by R. Let us assume K is a any constant will be equal of 1 such that P will be equal of V square by R. Okay student, this is a equation number second. But according here the combination represent the series combination. According to principle of series combination, what is the mean of the series combination for the resistance? We know that R will be equal of R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay student, here we apply the equation number third. फिर से मैं आपको बताऊंगा. We know that P is a directly proportional of V square. P is a inversely proportional of 1 by R. Both are the definition related to power. By use of the equation number first and second, merge equation number 1 and 2, then we getting P is a directly proportional V square by R. Proportional replaced by the any constant K will be equal of 1 such that P will be equal of V square by R. ओके स्टूडेंट, अगर जो आप बोलेंगे सर यहाँ से मुझे कैपिटल R की वैल्यू चाहिए सच दैट कैपिटल R विल बी स्क्वायर ऑफ, okay student, that is equation number third. P equal to V square by R, so R will be equal of V square by P. What is the mean of the R? R that means a resistance, V that means a potential, and P that means a amount of power. But according to the simple principle of series combination, for the resistance R will be equal of R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the mean of the R1? R1 that means the amount of resistance on the bulb first, amount of resistance on the second bulb, amount of resistance on the third bulb. So we can say by use of the equation number third को आप बहुत ध्यान से देखिए, R will be equal of V square by P such that we can say R1 will be equal of V square by P1. What is the mean of the P1? P1 that means a power represented by P1. Okay, for the first, power represented by the P1 and resistance will be equal of R1. ये जो बल्ब है इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना ले रहे हैं स्टूडेंट? R1, इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? R2, और इसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? R3, और इनका इक्वल पोटेंशियल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ V. दैट मीन्स V इज अ पोटेंशियल ऑफ फर्स्ट बल्ब, सेकेंड बल्ब एंड थर्ड बल्ब. सभी का इंडिविजुअल पोटेंशियल भी कितना है? V. तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ R1 will be equal of V square by P1, and similarly we can say R2 will be equal of V square by P2 and R3 will be square P3, such that we putting the value of the R1, R2, R3 and R in equation number 4. Putting value of R, R1, R2 and R3 in equation number 4. Okay students, such that we getting in the place of capital R will be equal of V square by P, and here R1 will be equal of V square by P1, V square by P2 plus V square by P3, such that we getting the common factor from the RHS in the form of V square. As a result, we getting in bracket 1 plus P1, 1 plus P2 and 1 plus P3, such that V square will be cancelled by V square. We getting 1 by P will be equal of 1 by P to 1 by P3. What is the demand of question? We have to prove that the reciprocal of total power, by a series combination, is equal the sum of reciprocal of individual power. Okay student, मैं एक बार और रिकॉल कर दूं. We have to prove, हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? 1 by P will be equal of 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. Okay student, here we used a 3 bulb, capital A, capital B and capital C. Let we consider capital A, capital B and capital C are 3 different bulbs which consist resistance will be equal of R1, R2 and R3. And what is the mean of the P? P that means a power will be equal of P1, P2, P3 respectively. In a series combination, the amount of potential is constant. Okay student, now by the definition of power we can say power is a directly proportional of the square of potential. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखिएगा, जब भी आप फिजिक्स में कोई भी डेरिवेशन कर रहे हैं तो उस डेरिवेशन में जितने भी वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हैं उनके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट को जानना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. power is a directly proportional of the square of potential and power is a inversely proportional of resistance, such that by equation first and second we getting P directly proportional V square by R. Proportional replaced by any constant. Let we consider K is a any constant and K will be equal of 1 such that P will be equal of V square by R. That is a formula to represent the power. But here we use the three types of bulb, three bulb, capital A, capital B and capital P. So let us consider power. Let us consider power. यहाँ देखिए स्टूडेंट P विल बी इक्वल ऑफ वी स्क्वायर बाय आर, तो मैंने यहाँ से R की वैल्यू निकाल ली है, R विल बी इक्वल ऑफ वी स्क्वायर बाय P, तो R1 will be equal of v square by p1, R2 will be equal of v square by p2 and R3 will be equal of v square by R3. Now time to replace the value of R, R1, R2, R3 in the equation number 4 such that we getting this step v square is a common factor from the RHS. Now we take the v square as a common factor, v square will be cancelled by v square, then we getting 1 by p will be equal of 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2 plus 1 by p3. That is a final result and final expression to derive our derivation to determine the total equivalent power for the series combination. Student, now we are taking the second question. Prove that when electric applicants are connected in the parallel form. That means now we are taking the second type of the combination, parallel combination in the case of the power. Okay student, in the case of the parallel combination we used three circuits, that means three bulbs in the form of parallel. What is the meaning of the parallel? Let me consider that is a first bulb capital A and second capital B and third one will be equal of capital C. Here the resistance will be equal of R1, resistance will be equal of R2 and resistance will be equal of R3. Okay student, both are connected with any external source or any external battery. The potential of battery will be equal of capital B. Okay, now time to define or drive a relation between the resistance according to the power. मतलब मुझे पिछले में प्रूव करा था 1 by P will be equal of P1 plus P2 plus P3. Now we have to prove P will be equal of P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay student, we know that जैसा कि हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में देखा था, अभी हाल लास्ट हमने डेरिवेशन में देखा था, बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द पावर is a directly proportional of the square of potential and power is a inversely proportional of resistance. That means by equation first and second we can say power is a directly proportional V square by R. Proportional replaced by any constant. Let we consider constant will be equal of K and K will be equal of 1 such that P equal to V square by R. Okay student, now we getting the value of R. Simple mathematics, R will be equal of V square by P. By the definition of parallel combination, we know that 1 by R will be equal of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We need the four values R, R1, R2, R3, but we know that R will be equal of V square by P such that R1 will be equal of V square by P1, V square by P2 and V square by P3. Similarly, okay student, now time to replace the values of the R, R1, R2, R3 by V square by P. Okay, now we use the equation number 4. इक्वेशन नंबर 4 का हम यूज करेंगे, ध्यान से देखिएगा. बाय यूजिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 4, 1 by R, what is the meaning of the R? R will be V square by P. R replaced by V square by P. Now 1 by R1, that means a V square by P1 plus 1 by V square by P2 plus 1 by V square by P3 such that Simple mathematics, P written in the form numerator. So P1 by V square and plus P2 by V square and P3 by V square. Let me decide V square is a common factor. 1 by V square is a common factor. Then we getting P1 plus P2 plus P3. These will be cancelled by this. So we getting the final result will be equal to P equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay, student, here we taken today's we drive our derivation related to series combination and parallel combination in the form of power. In the case of series combination, we found 1 by P equal to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. In the case of parallel combination, we found P will be equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay, student. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Please, student, like, share, and also study from our channel.